Ever wondered how to add music to your Instagram story? Today we're simplifying this task, breaking it down into digestible steps. It's easy, fast, and an engaging way to spice up your stories. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at enhancing your Instagram stories with your favorite tunes. First off, you need to get to the right place on Instagram. Simply open the app and look for the camera icon, usually sitting in the top left corner of your home screen. Tap it and voila! You've accessed Instagram stories. Now you're ready to take the next step in creating your music-filled story. Now let's jazz up your story with some music. Start by tapping on the sticker icon located at the top of your screen. From the list of options that appear, select Music. This will open a search bar where you can type in the name of the song or artist you're after. You can also scroll through popular tracks if you're unsure. Preview songs until you find the perfect fit for your story. You've now chosen a soundtrack for your Instagram story. Let's move on to the final step. You're almost there. It's time to finalize your story. You can select the part of the song to feature by scrubbing through the track. Adjust the volume to suit your preference, ensuring your story's audio balance is just right. Feel free to add some flavor with text or stickers. When you're happy with your creation, share your masterpiece by tapping on the Your Story option. It's right there, can't miss it. And voila! You've just created an Instagram story with music. Just to recap, let's go over the steps one more time. First, open Instagram stories. Next, select the music sticker. Then, choose your preferred song. Adjust the song and add other elements to your liking. Finally, share your story. There you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to adding music to your Instagram stories. Now, go create some unforgettable stories.